guys, so today is opening day. Well, opening day was actually on Wednesday. Today's Friday, but it's opening day for us. We're heading up to the campground. We have all that stuff to unpack and put into the new RV, so this weekend's going to be a busy weekend. And van's packed. I mean, still enough room for Piper, but we're pretty much packed to the gill up here. So anyway, it's very foggy out here today. It's supposed to let up in a little bit, but there's going to be some thunderstorms and a whole bunch of other stuff. You see the trees are starting to bud. Biggest problem we're going to have is obviously the thunderstorms, but then Sunday the temperatures drop and like our low for the night is like 29, so we'll see. Yeah, well, it's 7:41 p.m. We got a lot of stuff done. We still have a few boxes in the living room, our bedroom. Piper's room we kind of have organized, but we still have to build her her dresser. So yeah, the bar stools, never actually used them. Sell them. There's still a lot of, everything's wet. I mean, there's been a lot of rain. You can see across there's a lot of water. So we're not going to put the solar lights in yet, as we still have to move this section of the deck over there for that door. So that's a future project, not this weekend, because if they have to use the tractor or whatever, the ground's way too soft. I mean, just getting the golf cart out it started sinking, so it's really wet. But let's see, problems. We have one. The thermostat for the air unit in the living area is non-responsive, so supposedly there's well, I mean, we've been told most likely it's a loose wire, so we have to take the thermostat out and check the wiring. So we're running the bedroom air to the front of, or to the back of the coach with the help of the ceiling fan, but it's not enough. I mean, it's a big coach, and you know, high ceilings and all that. So yeah, we gotta get that done. But the temperature's dropping. It's gonna be between 55 and 65 tonight, and then tomorrow more rain. Not that this area needs any more rain with all the flooding. And then Sunday is going to be like 49 degrees, and Sunday night 29 degrees, and then goes right back up again. So it is what it is. A lot of down branches this year with all the storms. We've been cleaning up. I got a decent pile going back over there, and yeah, golf cart was good. Hooked it up, and we disconnect everything and winterize it, but she ran like a champ. Had to run some stuff over to the dump. Tomorrow we'll run it up there and get it. Have to check it, make sure the lights work and everything, and then we get our new number, which every year the color changes. So other than that, we got a table full of free stuff that people have been going through. We had a vacuum and some other stuff, and it's all gone now. I'm sure we'll have more stuff once we get through the rest of the boxes and all that. So at this point, I'm tired. We never got to the grocery store, so Betsy ran out and picked up some pizza from Pop's place, and we had dinner here and watched a little Yellowstone, and trying to refresh ourselves on that because we never finished all of season 5. So I'm to go in and do a couple more things on the inside, take my first shower in the new RV, and then sit down and try to watch some TV before I pass out because I'm tired. So anywho, we'll see what tomorrow brings. Saturday, we're getting there. Still got a few more bags to go through, a couple more boxes. Gotta put Piper's dresser together. Yeah, and your TV. Kind of cold today and rainy. It rained again. We had some big winds last night and all that. So we fixed the top upper thermostat there wasn't working, and I called my friend Mike, and he says it's probably loose wiring if it worked before. So we pulled that off. It was fine. And he says go up to the air conditioner, check that, and jiggle some stuff around, and it worked again. So you want to take it up and go show the room? Okay.
Now we're gonna go to my room. Yes, there's stairs. And it's pretty big. So yeah, it is nice out. So like, it's a better view. My room's still a mess because we just got here. I have a little trash can, some toys, a clock bag, and my own TV with a remote. So that's pretty cool. And got a beanbag. This is my bed. I haven't been sleeping in it because there's some bug incidents. But it is very, very comfy. So this is my beanbag. Guess what, guys? I have a secret room. So yeah, it is nice. I'm loving it. And so yeah, pretty cool. I gotta finish cleaning up here. So yeah, so I'm gonna give you to my dad. Okay. Here, I'll show you around. This is the bathroom. It's not that nice. This is my parents' room. And my mom's cooking some hot dogs and pasta. So, this is their couch. My dog's sleeping there. We're still trying to unpack. Yeah. Hey, Dad.
Oh, it's cold. You know it's cold.
I can't even feel it.
A lot of rain. The parts of the whole beach are underwater still. Crazy.
It's cold.
Of course it's cold. It's still cold from winter, silly. It goes all the way up to the grass, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll go back down.
It's not even an island.
It'll go back down. Look at all the rocks that washed up, though.
Yeah.
It's funny.
Wait. Dad.
What?
This literally looks like a crystal.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah. It looks like a crystal.
Pretty. You gonna keep that one?
Yeah.
All right. It's cold.
Can you go back?
Go back. So it was about 35 last night. It's gonna be 27 tonight. We'll be back downstate, but yeah, you get the hot days, cold days, hot days, cold days. Next week, during the week's not supposed to be too bad. Then the weekend's supposed to be cold again. But I think, other than some rain today, I think we're gonna be all right. So, anyway, it is snowing. It's supposed to be thunderstorms. I take the thunderstorms over the snow.
Yeah.
Oh, we got the free box out there.
Take the snow because it's not as wet.
I don't want the snow because it's cold, and we summarized.
Well, she already said it's going to be bad tonight.
Oh,
so.
it will be. All right, let's get back to Piper's homework. Well, guys, the sun's coming out finally, but it's been snowing for the past probably 15-20 minutes. Sometimes heavy, sometimes not. It's not really sticking to the ground, but was kind of sticking to the golf cart and whatever. But supposed to be thunderstorms coming. It's going to be very cold tonight, so we're going to disconnect the water and just open up our low point drains and everything, and we'll make through. It's going to be about 8 hours of very, very cold weather, so we won't be up here until next weekend. So I don't want to really leave the heat and everything on, so it is what it is. It's Michigan for you. All right, well, now that I put everything in the shed because of the snow, it looks like it's going to stop and getting all blue skies again. Love it.
It looks like a fly.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that snow, Piper. Look at it on the car.
Sticking.
It looks like those white things.
Ice? I mean, no
Styrofoam.
Styrofoam, yes, it looks like styrofoam.
ice. And it looks like salt, too. And
Oh my God.
Like down on the ceiling and comes